got so motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 old thoughts on the block.
Employee here on behalf of Rosemary Garrity, please step up and state your name.
Rosemary Gary.
Thank you.
Good morning, and today's the date scheduled for the arraignment pretrial in this matter. And counsel?
My client waives formal reading, stands mute to the charge.
The court will waive the formal reading, enter plea of not guilty for purpose of the arraignment. And he asks the pretrial.
Yes, my client is prepared to offer a response to plead to the amended count of civil infraction allowing truancy. The original offense would be dismissed.
Okay, ma'am, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear from your testimony about to give this matter the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes, very yes.
All right. And you heard the amended charge that your attorney has worked out for you, correct?
Yes.
As to that amended charge, how do you plead?
Responsible.
You've gone over your advice of rights with your attorney, correct?
Yes.
And you understand all of those rights.
Yes.
You also understand by entering into a plea you'll be waiving some of those rights.
Yes.
Has anybody, I'm sorry, you also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea, whether in this court, any other court or administrative agency.
Yes.
Knowing all of that, do you want to continue with your plea?
Yes.
And has anybody promised you anything throughout your overseas anywhere, in any way for you to enter into a plea?
No.
All right. And the court will accept your plea to the amended charge. Dismiss the original charge per the plea agreement. And counsel? That's just sentencing. That's a fine. How much should I know?
She's expresses to me that she's had, you know, her daughter's had some struggles, apparently has some learning disabilities. She did pass 8th grade, so she's moving on to the 9th grade, so she did complete her schooling for the year. Is that correct? Beyond that, as I said, she's, you know, expressed that it's very difficult. There's some bullying and hasn't been active in seeking alternatives. They're possibly to a different school next year that may be able to provide more services to her daughter. Is that correct?
Yes.
And so with that, you know, I'd say it looks like to me she's doing the best she can with the difficult situation. And I don't know that excessive fines and costs would improve anybody in this case.
Okay. So a couple things. First, ma'am, I'm not sure why your name is so familiar.
I've been here for other things with the house.
Landlord time. Oh, that's right. We went and did a site visit.
Yeah.
Yes, I remember that. Okay. All right. So, Mr. Du Bois was a little bit nervous for a moment, but it was not another criminal matter. So, ma'am, let me ask you this question.
Yes.
So, has your daughter, correct?
Yes.
Has she been diagnosed with a learning disability?
To the school, but I have to, I want to go branch out, and I was asking for their help, and I had to do it on my own apparently.
Well, hold on.
Hold on.
When was your daughter diagnosed with a learning disability?
When they did the test on her at school.
I don't know when that was.
Oh, I'm not real good with dates and stuff either, but I believe it was 6th grade, it might have, when they started putting her in IEPs and saying that
Okay,
she has struggles and they understand.
okay. So what is the nature of her disability?
I don't know the name of it, I think it's like my.
The nature, what is the nature of it? Is it comprehension? Is it math? Is it English based? I mean, what is it?
I think it's, comprehension and like connecting things,
Okay,
like, we're both like so much alike, it's hard for me to tell you. Explain
Okay.
it.
so then ma'am,
Mhm.
over the course of the last 2 school years, right? So 6th grade she was diagnosed, so maybe have been 2.5 school years. What support services does she receive?
She got help from the help teacher at school, the resources, like, so.
Right, what are her specific accommodations?
I'm not sure.
How do you not know, how are you not sure of that,
I
ma'am?
have my own troubles with talking and speaking on these things.
Okay, so did you write it down?
No.
perhaps you should have done that. If you know that you have difficulty with that, you should have done that.
Yes, you're right.
Because I'm not sure how your child having a learning disability, how her missing school would help that.
It's not just that. It's the bullying that followed her home through cyber. And it was relentless and bad. And I tried to reach out.
But I can understand that, man, it gets bad. It gets bad.
It's
Then
way bad.
take the phone away.
It's not just, it doesn't matter, it's still there.
Disable the social media. Disable social media for your daughter.
These people who are doing it are smart. They're carrying it all the way over to the neighborhood.
Okay, yeah, what I'm saying is if you can try to eliminate some of the issues, to take those steps. How much time did she miss from school?
Well, she was doing virtual, so she was at home doing school.
Okay, and did she miss the school that was virtual? Was she missing
Yeah.
those days?
Yeah, she did, but it's also because there was the technical issue with her Chromebook that we tried to get tech support and they said, no bother.
Okay, yeah, let me just, I can tell you from experience,
Yes, ma'am.
that the Riverview Public Schools does an excellent job with supporting those with accommodations. Even those that are not within the Riverview Public Schools, but within the Riverview Public School District, okay? But that also requires a partnership with you. And it requires your daughter advocating for herself. And I'm not sure, and I don't know your daughter very well, but I'm not sure that if your daughter's already having struggles with comprehension and things of that nature, I don't know that virtual is the best way for her, but I don't know all that. So if you are trying to get her into a different school district, what steps have you taken to get there so far, ma'am?
I haven't taken any steps yet. It just became summertime. I was working 2 jobs and I've been looking into it and getting advice from other people who lived in Riverview, who also told me Riverview is not no good around their social media, going in and helping their children and they move their kids out of it.
Okay,
So I don't know. I work at Subway, so I talk to everybody. And I've heard many people say the same thing.
well, ma'am, I'm going to say this, I'm going to assess a $100 fine. If you're back here again for the same thing, I will likely, this will likely not be how it resolves.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have that $100 to pay today?
No, ma'am.
When are you, thinking that you will have that to pay?
Hopefully next paycheck. My boss didn't do my stuff right, so she pretty much put me $600 in debt.
I'm sorry, what was that?
My last paycheck I just got, my boss didn't put it through my bank account and caused me to get fines and I'm like $600 in debt now, so I have to wait till next paycheck.
Okay, I'll say, can you pay it in full by August 31st?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
You too.